So now what I'm about to do is I'm going to talk about what I do for my eyes. Today I'm just doing a basic eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to pretty much do bronzer on my eyes and keep it moving because I need something quick and simple. So what I typically do is I'll put more concealer on my lids and then just act like a base. And we'll get that blended out. And because this is gonna pretty much be my base, I am gonna set it. Now I'm gonna use my Charlotte Mercier to set. Because I don't want it to crease. Okay. And then I'm using the same brush because I don't want to do too much. So I'm going to put up some. Oh, this is my Charlotte Tilbury bronzing palette or powder. I'm just going to. Because I don't want to do too much. And then I'm going to do the same for this one. Now that works for me. And then this, you can put a black liner to finish it off, which I'm gonna actually put a little bit more brightener, but I gotta find one. Okay, so to finish my look, I'm gonna add some from this Morphe palette. I'm gonna do a little light at the bottom, a little lighter. I'm thinking I might do this color. And I just use my finger. And gently just patting. Okay. And then, as I said before, I am going to add a black wing. And this is just, that's not actually not it. So it's just felt eyeliner tip. So. I'm just coloring it in. And if you want your wing a little longer, you just drag it up, make it a little longer. And this felt tip just makes it so easy to apply. Okay, that works for me. All right, so now I am going to go ahead and add some mascara, which I do have my Anastasia Beverly mascara. And I'm just gonna add that to my top. And I'm going to add a little bit more. That look cute though. Now I am going to add some lashes to man's because a girl loves some lashes. So of course, if you want to add more, you add more. If you're content, you don't add any more. It is all about what you like and how you like it. These lashes looking good. I may not even need them. My natural lashes looking good. What y'all think? Okay, girl.